Print paper for ICC board. Let us look at section 8 MCQ. Question number 1 is for 15 marks. It's a compulsory thing. The atomic radius, what happens down the group? Correct. Second one, moving across the period, the IP, what happens? ATM decreases, IP, how?
Increase. I'm in the first one. It should be increase.
Okay, so I'll have to edit this. So question number 1, actually when I was looking at this, somehow the double vision came and I could not see properly. So this I saw as increases. I don't know how. Okay, so I'm starting this again. 1, the atomic radius in a group moving down, what happens? Atomic radius, this is what happens. So it will be increases. Across the period, ATM decreases like this. So your IP is going to increase. Aluminium imparts what?
Lightness.
EA of sodium and sulfur. Now remember, sodium and sulfur, this is period 3. So Na, correct? This is how it is. Yes or no? Period 3. So the electron affinity this way is going to increase. So where is it?
Always less.
Affinity of sodium. Oh, sorry. We have to sodium compared to sodium. They are saying sulfur. Sulfur will be more. So Na will be less. So it is always less. Correct. So I like this option, less and always
Ma'am,
less.
what is the difference between always less and less?
There isn't. There is.
Less means I think conditionally less. Like at sometimes it is less and sometimes it's more.
Yeah, conditionally less. That is absolutely right. Always means by default.
Like less can mean for covalent bonds.
Electron affinity. No, covalent bond you cannot consider electron affinity. That way, electron negativity, and we take difference between electronegativities. So this, yeah. So electron affinity is not considered for covalent bonds there. Okay, so ammonium nitrate is not used because it is explosive. They have not, but ammonia as it forms, it decomposes. No, so it decomposes mean it forms N2O plus H2O. What is N2O? Nitrous oxide, water vapor, and nitric oxide, water vapor, and nitrogen and water. So N2 and water, and this is explosive. That means if I heat it, when I heat it, will this be water or water vapor?
Water vapor.
So the option is C. Acid used to prepare ethene from ethyl alcohol.
Concentrated sulfuric acid.
Correct. So because it is dehydrating, where is it? Concentrated.
A. Option A.
Oh, yeah, correct. During the extraction of aluminium by Hall-Heroult's process, powdered coke is used because heat loss by radiation is correct.
Heat loss by radiation.
That one only, right? A is the correct option. Number of isomers of butane. Butane has 2. Okay, N-butane and isobutane. But pentane has 3, correct? So this will be A option. 9, gas causing effervescence when marble reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid. Marble is CaCO3. So with an acid dilute, it will give you H2CO3 means CO2. Where is it? Understanding. The following are the structural diagrams for hydrocarbon. Is this the hydrocarbon? One minute. Is it a Cl here or H here? I don't know.
There's nothing over there.
You cannot have
Yeah,
nothing
there
here,
should-
eh?
there
There
should be
has to be.
something.
There should be something. So let us see. Okay.
Ma'am, I think they're asking me to sit down on something.
Following structural diagram, certain hydrocarbons, uh, which two structures are related to each other? A and B. A and B. Considering this is H, I think they're saying hydrocarbons only, no?
Yes,
Where
ma'am.
is
Ma'am, I
it?
think we have to look for isomers.
It is, pardon me?
We have to see isomers, so we have to write the formula.
Yeah, correct. But here, can I write H over here? This is not being seen. So we'll write here H. Okay? Just doing the correction here. Okay, so they are saying which ones have the, they are related to each other. That means their formula will be the same, structure will be different. So this is your butane. So this is the butane. What is this? No, this is, these are the isomers from here to here. A and C are butane. Molecular formulas are the same. So A and B, this is a double bond, there is no other double bond. So, yeah, so it will be A and C, right? Is there A and C? D option. IUPAC name for ethylene. Ethylene is double bond. Double bond means ethene. So it is B. Temperature for leaching in Bayer's process. 152.
Is 16.
Yeah. 140. Is it 140 to 150? Bayer's process. The first reaction.
Ma'am, in the book it is 150 to
150 to 200 is written, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So we can't take 140 to 150, right?
150 to 160.
So B it will be, correct? There's someone confused. Electronic configuration of X is 2,6. It gains Y electrons into its valence shell to attain the nearest noble gas. Electronic configuration gets converted to an ion Z. So Y will have to be 2, na? X is 2,6. Your Y is the number of electrons gained by it is 2. So Y will be 2. And what will be Z? Z is the ion to an ion Z. So it will be X2 minus. And the configuration will be 2,8. So X, Y, Z are oxygen. This is not sulfur. Sulfur will be 286, no? This is 2,6 means 8 means oxygen. So oxygen and
2 are electronegative.
see, this one is oxygen, then 2 and then electronegative. Correct? So it is C option. Which of the following statements about ethane is false? Ethane is hydrocarbon, single bond, undergoes substitution reaction. It is, this is correct. This is correct, but it does not have triple bond. So this is the wrong one. Non-metals gain electrons during ionization. This change is called as non-metals gain electrons. Atom becomes ion is so it will be gaining electron means reduction, right?
Reduction.
It is reduction because gain of electrons means reduction. So 15 marks. I hope you all are counting marks. Quickly write your marks. Question number 2, neopentane. Neopentane will be question 2A. Neopentane 1, 2, 3. Then one carbon this side, that is fourth carbon, and one carbon this side, and all hydrogens. I'm not writing all of them. You have to write. If you write like this, you will get a 0. In the exam, all H's have to be written. Okay, so this is your first one. 2-chloro-but-1-ol. But means 1, 2, 3, 4. 1-ol, let me start from here. So this will be 1-ol. So this is 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 2-chloro, 1, 2. So this is chlorine. Then this will be CH3, CH2, CHCl. This will be CH2OH. Okay, write H's everywhere. That would be your. Then alcohol of carbon with 3 carbons.
Propanol.
Correct. But the structure will be 3 carbons means 1, 2, 3 and alcohol. So I will write this way, and then CH3, CH2, CH2 and then O dash H.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am, for the previous one, shouldn't the name be butan-1-ol?
Yeah, it should be butane-1-ol. You're right. You're right. Absolutely right. The single bond they have not mentioned only, no? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Good observation. कहाँ पे है? Here, no?
Ma'am,
This one.
Second one.
This one.
Ma'am, and that also in the fourth
The
one
fourth
also.
one also, it's pent-diol.
Pent, yeah. This also it should be pentane. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Good observation, girl. Okay. Now this is pentane 1,5-diol. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So if I call this as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 1 has OH. So O single bond H. And the fifth one has OH. So O single bond H. And then the remaining valencies, you have to put all H's. Just make sure that you are not having 3 valencies or 5 valencies for carbon. Okay, so you got this one as the fourth one. 1 ethanoic acid, eth is, and then it will be C double bond O and here single bond OH. Okay, so it will be CH3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, this is there. Now sometimes people say that eth means 2 carbons and oic acid means 1 more COOH. If you write like this, what does it becomes? It becomes a prop.
Phenol.
Then it will not be eth, it will be prop. Remember, in oic acid, you have to count this carbon also in the longest chain. Okay, so this is not ethyl alcohol like this. Understanding? This will be 1, 2, 3 carbons, so it will be prop. Single bond in, so this will be like this. This is propanoic acid. Okay, so be careful of that. Even for aldehyde, we have to add CHO group. Give yourself marks on 5, 1 mark each. Hydronium dot diagram. Remember this chlorine molecule is also Cl with 7 and 7 electrons, and then 1 gets shared and Cl2. Very simple. That is 2 marks they have given. The 2 marks you should know by heart. Did you get them? Fill in the blanks and rewrite. Compound which is a base but not an alkali means it is not KNaNH4. Correct? So I cannot, it's a base but not an alkali. Now calcium hydroxide and ferric hydroxide is what they're given. Calcium hydroxide is sparingly soluble and this one is insoluble. So which one is a base but not an alkali? It will be ferric hydroxide. Understood? See, this looks very simple, but here the options they have given are slightly tricky. If you know chemistry thoroughly, then you'll be able to get your full marks. Huh? base used in the manufacture of soap is ammonium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide.
Sodium.
This is sodium hydroxide. You'll say, ma'am, which chapter this is? This is in acid, bases and salt. Okay. So remember, they are the first point only in that it is written. The differences between acids and alkalis. Ammonia can convert yellow lead monoxide to lead. So PbO becomes Pb. This is your 333 reaction. Do you know this reaction by heart? Pb 3PbO plus what? 2NH3 on heating is 3Pb plus 3H2O plus N2. Girl, remember this N2 should be written last, the gas, okay? This shows that ammonia, what is it doing? Ammonia, it is making PbO get converted into Pb, means oxygen is removed, means it is reduction, which is the property here, reducing agent. Understanding? Yeah, you're counting the marks,
Yes,
right? If the hydrocarbon has formula this, what is it? It is 2n plus 2, no?
CN
2n plus 2, it is
Plus 2. Yes.
Cn. What is this? CnH 2n plus 2
Plus
means
two.
it is alkane. It is alkane. That means all single bonds. So it will undergo which one? Substitution. And the hydrocarbon is a saturated because single bond. Understanding? We come to this. Number of isomers possible in an alkane with 4 carbons.
Two.
I think they repeated this question. They first said butane and now they are saying 4 carbons. So they are giving 5 marks for 5, which means here half mark each these two are. Let us come match the following. You are marking yourself. D. Haber's process is which one?
Ammonia.
Correct. Electroplating is which one?
Spectator.
Correct. Neutral oxides,
Carbon monoxide.
carbon monoxide, correct. Contact process, sulfuric acid, esterification, ethyl alcohol, correct. So remember your A and D. Don't write D like this and A like this. Okay? And don't write your A like this. Understood? Make sure that your A looks like A and D has this line taller, especially when you have to just write the letters, especially for MCQ and MCQ question and this one, okay? Gay-Lussac's law, you have to learn by heart. If you know it by heart, give yourself 2 marks. Find the molecular formula of compound whose empirical formula is this and vapor density is this. So empirical formula has been given. Some of you may get confused. It is C5H5. So first thing for molecular formula is from here
Ma'am,
go for
there's an N.
empirical formula weight. What were you saying?
There's an N after H5.
H5N. Yeah, thank you. So empirical formula weight will be 12 into 5 is 1 into 5 is N is
14.
how much is this? 74, 79, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what you will say that your N is equal to molecular weight means 2 into vapor density upon empirical formula weight, correct? So that is 2 into, I'm skipping the steps, it will be 79 upon 79, which is 1. So your molecular formula will be equal to C5H5N.
5N.
Okay. So this is for 3 marks. 3 marks, you will have this 1 mark, N 1 mark, and then for writing, of course, you have to write N into empirical formula weight n into empirical formula, then 1 into this, and then like that you have to write 3 more steps. Okay, give yourself the marks, and section 1 is done. Let us quickly go to section B. Define glacial acetic acid, learning work. If you don't know, just give yourself 0. If you don't know isomerism, give yourself 0. Alloy, you have to know these definitions. In alloy, there is one keyword which I told you. What is the keyword that you should not forget when you are writing the definition of alloy? Forgotten? Turn the page. Alloy definition. Quickly. Be quick, quick, quick. What is the keyword I told you not to forget?
Appropriate property.
Appropriate properties.
Desirable property.
Desirable. Very good. Okay. Understanding. And proportion. For proportion, have they used any keyword there?
Appropriate proportion.
Appropriate proportion to obtain desired properties. Understood? Double underline those. Those two words must be there. If you miss those words, chances are you will lose your marks. Okay? Understood? Now, atomic radius also, you should know the definition. Combustion is combination of an atom or element with oxygen. What is esterification? This is hydrolysis of an acid with alcohol, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
What is esterification? If you don't know, give yourself 0. I justify with a relevant reaction means esterification reaction. Everybody knows the reaction by heart. Reversible arrow and Kong sulfuric acid. Correct or no? What is it? C2H5OH plus what? Acetic acid means CH3COOH. Then if you are still not able to remember, this OH and this H will be removed and this goes here. So it will be CH3COO C2H5 plus H2O. Okay, and here you have to write Kong sulfuric acid. Okay, yeah. So that is your 5 and 2 7 marks. Now 3 marks. Name the process. Dehydration of ethyl alcohol. Now ethyl alcohol, your thinking process will be C single bond C like this, and OH here and H here. If this is dehydration, H2O gone, then this electron of carbon will come back here and I will get C double bond C and this. What is this? Ethene. Organic compound produced will be ethene. What is the condition here? Conc H2SO4. Correct? At 170 degrees C. Correct? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And there is something in excess. What is in excess? Very good. This is excess. How many of you forgot this? If this is in excess, then this will happen. But if this alcohol is in excess, you will have C2H5OH, C2H5OH, and then if you have Conc H2SO4, then what happens? This is what happens. If this is in excess, understanding?
Yes.
This is in excess, then this is H2SO4 conc at what temperature? 140 degrees C. Then it will be C2H5O C2 plus H2O. So remember to take care of this. Write the equation for the reaction will be this, and here you will write conc H2SO4 at 170 degrees C. Understood? You have to write all the H's. I'm not writing because I'm just giving you the solutions. We are just discussing this. Carboxylation of sodium propionate. Now they are telling you equation also, correct? So for the C, you will write the first one we finished. Now the second one, remember the first bullet will be organic compound, second bullet will be the conditions, and the third bullet will be the reaction. So I will start with reaction in the third line. Decarboxylation means this is your propionate means CH3 CH2 COONA. Prop means there are 3 carbons. Chhatri Chattu Puna, like how I told you. Plus what? NaOH. And here we write CaO and heat. What is this called as? This is called as soda lime. Then remember from this COONA up to this NaO is removed. Huh. So you have this is Chhatri and this takes this H. So Chhatri means C2H6
plus
plus Na2CO3. If it's a gas, learn to show up arrow. So, what is the organic compound obtained? Ethane. What is the condition? Soda lime and heat. Correct? Correct. Soda lime means NaOH with CaO. We can't write only CaO here. Or you can say in presence of NaOH, a mixture of NaOH with CaO means soda lime is okay if you write. Understand? If you wish, you can say soda lime into bracket mixture of NaOH and CaO. Alright? We come to hydrolysis of alkyl halide. Now, for the third part, hydrolysis. So, if you are confused, start with the third part, alkyl halide. So, let us take C2H5 Br. You can take Cl, you can take Br also. And plus, hydrolysis means you have to take KOH. All right. Now, when this KOH, OH gets added to this, it is called hydrolysis. Okay. So this will be aqueous. So it will give me this, and this will be boil here. And this will give me C2H5OH
plus KBR.
plus KBr. All right. Alkyl halide. So organic compound will be alcohol. You can't say ethyl because they are saying alkyl. So you can say alkyl alcohol doesn't make sense. It will be alkyl with alcohol. Understood? It will be an alcohol. What is alcohol? It is alkyl, no? So did they say ethyl bromide? Did they say ethyl chloride? So you have to write alkyl. If you want alkyl alcohol, you can say. But alcohol means alkyl alcohol only. What is the general formula of alcohol? It is C2H. Now remember, what is alkane? C2H2N plus 2. But then plus 1 and then OH. Because one H gets replaced with this OH. Correct or no? C2H6 it would have been, but it is H5 and OH. One hydrogen less. So one hydrogen less. So this becomes alkyl alcohol. But we won't say alkyl alcohol. It will just be alcohol. Conditions, what is it? Boil. And the equation we have already finished writing. Okay, if there is a problem like this, they have not given numbers. Actually, they should have given you 1, 2, 3 like this. Then it would have been easier. Pardon me?
They told to redraw the table.
Redraw the table, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my goodness, how will you fit in over here so much?
Ma'am, in the paper we can draw that section too.
It will be, you will have to write this also. If you write this also, then see from here to here space will be there, no, already. Name the process, organic compound, conditions. Okay, then you'll have to take two lines like that per, है ना, and then fit
Yes,
in. Correct. This you'll have to make it more. What you're saying?
Ma'am, for the conditions of the last one, hydrolysis of alkyl halide, do we have to write aqueous KOH also?
Yeah, aqueous KOH. Yes. Aqueous KOH, and boil. Correct. But instead of drawing, it becomes a little tedious. Ideally, they should be giving you, this is what I was telling you. If this is given like this, then it's easier for the students as well as the teachers. So you just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Understood, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Or they should have given you here 1, 2, 3, and then this would be A, B, C. Okay, they would have said A, B, C, small a, like that. So then for 1, A, B, C, 2, A, B, C, 3, A, B, C. That would be a little better, but this way it's going to be a little difficult for the examiner. Anyway, what is this laboratory preparation of? Isn't it HNO3?
Yes.
What is A? What is B? And what is C? C is nitric acid. A plus B this is.
Nitro plus concentrated.
Now the thing is that A plus B they are saying. They should have written over here one is solid and one is liquid. Then it becomes easier. Sometimes they can give you A as liquid and B as solid. Understood, right? If you write molecular formula, you will get a 0. Relevant reaction for the process, KNO3 plus conc H2SO4 less than 200 degrees C. KHSO4 plus.
HNO3.
Laboratory preparation prepared acid is yellow in color because of decomposition of nitric acid forming nitrogen dioxide, which is yellow,
Nitrogen acid, which is also
reddish
acid.
brown, which dissolves in acid, imparting yellow color. Okay, if possible, provide the reaction also. Do you know the reaction by heart?
Yes,
4HNO3 gives 4NO2 plus 2H2O plus O2 up arrow. Okay, if you written all that, you would write all that, you will get your 5 marks. Arrange the following. Decreasing atomic radius. What are these? These are of the same. Oh, calcium also is there. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
So here now maybe a little confusing. Atomic radius decreases. ATM this way decreases and this way increases.
Okay.
This should be ready for your thinking step. Okay. For the first one, you will write Na Mg Al dot Cl will be 17 group. This is Ca. This is K and Ca. Now you are taking Al and Cl and Ca. Now you tell me. This way atomic radius is going to decrease. Okay, which means Mg is going to be bigger in size and Ca will be still bigger in size. Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
So this will be the biggest size, this will be the smallest size. Decreasing means what you will have to write. Did you see how I've drawn this?
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
it becomes a little confusing otherwise. Okay, so Ca
AL.
Ca, then Al, and then Cl. Okay, this increasing order of IP. Now IP increases this way, correct?
That's one. And decreasing.
Across the period. So are they the same? P, C, O. They are all from the same period, right? So increasing means from left to right. C, then
O and then F.
caught 9 orange
Ma'am,
fish.
uh,
Oh, P is in the next one.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, P is here. IP. So IP is going to increase this way and decrease this way. Decrease this way. That means nitrogen. This will be lesser than nitrogen. They are saying what? Increasing order. So this will be in the next level here, it will be decreased, right?
So,
Yes, ma'am. So
It will be decreased because it will have more radius. If there is more radius in the next one here, it will have less IP. So the least will be phosphorus. Understanding?
Carbon,
yes.
oxygen, and fluorine.
Yeah. So it will be what?
PC.
P,
C, O,
then
F.
C, then O, and then F. Okay, so can you see this? Normally we say it's all right. Normally they give you along the same period or same group. But what are they doing? Mixing the two periods. Can you see that? NaKClC. Now can you see C is from period 2
Yes.
and metallic character. So now your
CCl,
Na is here, K is here. Can you see that? Then Cl is here, but C is here. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
And now they say metallic character. Now metallic character,
Increases down.
metallic character
Increases down the group and
down the group,
and
and it will be like this, correct or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So the least will be this.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, carbon, right?
No, along this period, this will be the least,
yes.
and this will be most metallic. But now we have this one in period 2, which will have two shells. That means your IP is going to be more. That means it's not going to lose electrons easily. So I'll have to start with C, then I'll have to
Na and K.
Cl, Na, then K.
K and N.
this, then Cl, no?
Yes.
No, N and K.
Cl, then Na,
then K.
and then K. K will be the maximum metallic
Yes.
and C will be the least. Can you see this one? Normally we say, this is easy. But can you see they have made it slightly Hatke type?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Increasing order of electron affinity. Mg, F, N and Si. Again they have mixed up the two periods.
Period.
Correct? So it will be Mg Si and F is here and N is here. This is 4, no? This is 5. Electron affinity. Electron affinity here would be maximum, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This will be max EA. If they had to put chlorine, then we would have put chlorine as maximum. But they have fortunately not put chlorine here. Okay, and this will be minimum electron
Mg will be-
affinity. Correct or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So how will we start?
Increasing
Increasing order.
Electron affinity.
Increasing order means I'll have to start with
magnesium.
Mg.
this, then this, and then this.
Yes.
Okay, this is number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4, from minimum to maximum. decreasing order of electronegativity. Oh, did you see that? Cl also is sitting over here.
Yes.
So decreasing order means I'll have to start with
Cl.
Cl. Okay. Now electronegativity means your Na is here and K is here. So this one will be the minimum electronegativity. Correct? So I will go Cl, then Mg, then Na, and then K.
K.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Cl, Mg. Why aren't you writing? You don't want the finger muscles to get trained. You are doing things mentally. Yeah, Baba.
No, ma'am. Sorry.
You have written everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Where? Where is the paper? Where did you solve? Nobody is going to understand this, Baba. I don't understand. 5 days more for the boards, bacha, and your fingers are not writing good handwriting. You're not training your hand to write good handwriting, no? Please
ma'am.
don't do that.
Yes, ma'am.
Give the reaction for sulfuric acid as a dehydrating agent. You can give cane sugar or you can give glucose. Glucose is simpler.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the simplest, yes. What will you write here? And what will I get?
Plus H2O.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
If they ask you observation, what is this?
Black car. Black spongy mass of carbon.
Okay, typical acid. What does typical acid mean? Dilute acid. So dilute acid, I would take zinc plus H2SO4 dilute. You have to take any one of those reactions. Which reactions I'm talking about? Which reactions am I talking about? I can have acid and base, salt and water, or carbonate and dilute acid will give you salt, H2O, CO2. Do you remember that page? Do you remember that page? All the dilute acid reactions are there. With sulfide, it will liberate H2S. With sulfite, it will liberate SO2. Do you remember those? Any one of those can be over here. Then oxidizing agent, carbon plus, you have to write conc over here. And then C becomes CO2.
Plus 2H2O plus 2SO.
Yes, 2H2O plus, this is 2. So it will be 2SO2.
Up arrow.
And this also up arrow. Okay, then we come to non-volatile means preparation of HCl. So let us take NaCl plus H2SO4 conc. You know this by heart, right? What is the condition? Less than 200 degrees C gives NaHSO4 plus HCl up arrow. Okay, so remember these are 4 marks. Getting 4 marks over there quickly. Let us come to electroplating. Electroplating. What are we electroplating? Copper spoon. So copper spoon means this becomes the cathode. And this is the thick plate of silver. So that is your anode. Define electroplating. Learn the definition if you do not know. If you know it, give yourself that mark. The electrolyte shows is not preferred. They are saying not preferred because remember there are 4 points over there. What will you say? It is a strong electrolyte. Then next one is migration of Ag1 plus ion is fast,
Then
results in
Uneven distribution.
uneven distribution,
Deposition.
deposition. Results in non-uniform, uneven, then temporary. Correct or no? There is one more word over there. There are 4 words over there. Go electroplating, left hand page.
Smooth for long-lasting durable.
Smooth, so uneven. Uniform, so non-uniform. Then temporary against uh,
Long lasting.
long lasting, and
Durable.
I can't hear.
Durable.
Durable is written over there, durable in the book. Durable is not there.
Ma'am, sodium pentacyanate is firm, right? So
Read the 4 words that are there. I'm talking about the left hand page, not under electroplating with silver. The general page, general electroplating, the reasons and the conditions. Put the book here so that I can. Where is electroplating?
Just one.
Tell the page number, don't say here.
Oh, 118.
Ma'am, the 4 words are smooth,
smooth, firm,
uniform,
uniform,
and
long-lasting
Uh-huh.
deposition.
Smooth, firm, uniform, and long-lasting deposition.
Okay, so smooth is uneven, firm is what you can say for firm. Non-uniform, uneven, firm. Temporary and not firm. Okay, so results in deposition, which is okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. You had to write over there. Why the markings are not there done?
Sorry.
Do it just now. Do it just now as I'm telling you. But you should do.
Yes, ma'am.
You cannot. Were you sleeping so many months? I have to check with you for your book also what you marked and what you did not mark.
Sorry, ma'am.
Oh, you should have marked all these.
Yes, ma'am.
That is how it helps in the last minute preparation.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The metal whose metal to be plated on the article is made, which is the metal that is silver. So that will be, it is made the anode. Is made the anode, correct? Not
Yes,
made
ma'am.
of. It is the metal to be plated anode, and the reason is
The metal anode continuously dissolves as ions in the solution.
because now here you'll have to write a big statement. What is the reason over there? It forms an active anode. Active anode. What else were you saying?
Active anode, it
Huh?
continuously dissolves as ions.
Continuously dissolves. Right?
As-
Good handwriting.
Yes, ma'am.
Good handwriting. I want to
Yes,
see
ma'am.
good handwriting, Babu.
Yes, ma'am.
Continuously dissolves in solution,
Hence periodically.
replaces. No, why they are? Because it replaces the metal ions in the electrolyte which get deposited on the cathode. Here active anode and replaces, or you can say replenishes the metal ions in the electrolyte. Okay. Thus concentration of metal ions in the electrolyte remains the same. I don't have place. So they have connected this with, remember why the blue color of copper sulfate does not fade. Do you remember that? Active electrode part in electrolysis of copper sulfate using copper electrodes. Okay, so they have combined the two. All right. We come to the test for alcohol.
Esterification reaction.
What? Esterification? You can even add
Reaction.
sodium metal.
Sodium and alcohol.
With sodium, either esterification, but which is reversible. I would actually prefer the alcohol, let us say CH3OH. If I add sodium, then sodium is going to replace this and it will become CH3ONA and it will give you H, but only one H is there. I have to double it,
So
double it, double it, double it. Understanding?
yes, ma'am.
So what you will say, adding sodium liberates colorless, odorless
Gas.
hydrogen gas, which you're writing extinguishes a glowing splinter with a pop sound. Very good. Catalytic hydrogenation of ethyne to form saturated compound. Ethyne they are saying.
Plus
So
H2.
it will be C triple bond C. Write it along with the structure. It is better. And this will be H2. Tell me what is the condition.
Nickel 300 degrees.
Very good. Now go to that page and tell me in place of nickel what else is used. Go to that page. In place of nickel, which other metal is used? Palladium. Correct or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Which page? Come on, tell fast.
238.
238. 238. Can you see over here condition? Not underlined anything. Okay, so what we'll get? Double bond it will become, and then this is how it will become, like this, plus now you will show now it has become triple bond with double bond. Saturated means on top of this arrow you have to write H2 and here write nickel slash. This is what you should write, and then double bond becomes single bond. Okay, these are the earlier H's, and one more valency opens up here, and what you should write over here, ethyne. What it has become, tell me? Ethene. And here it has become ethane. Somebody said ethylene over here. Please do not use common name. Okay, if I'm using IUPAC, 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 please do not put over here ethylene. You will confuse yourself. Not just that, you will confuse the examiner to trick the examiner to give you marks. This is for 2 marks. This was a little thinking. Question number 5 we finished. Let's quickly run to this. What does this look like to you? This looks like aluminium metallurgy.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the carbon anode? This is not being seen in this, the electrolyte. But remember, these are anodes, which is the cathode, this lining, correct? Can you see that? That is the cathode, correct? And what is in this mixture? The 3 substances. Identify the process. Which process is this? Hall-Herold's process. Justify the use of cryolite. Cryolite has all 3 functions. Fluorspar has the first 2 functions. Remember the 3 functions: lowering the fusion point.
Increasing the conductivity.
Correct. Write the reaction at cathode. At cathode, what is going to happen? Remember, in your mind, this is what should happen. In your mind, this is to be done. Okay? And at cathode, cation means 2Al3 plus. Plus how many? 6 electrons. 2Al. Okay? Now you cannot copy this. You should know from here that these are 6 electrons. So 6 electrons should be added. You cannot copy all this You should know it on your own. At anode, what's going to happen? 3O2 minus. What it will do? Minus 6 electrons. And that is going to give you 3 nascent oxygen. And you can write either that gives you 3O2, or in the second line you can write 3O plus 3O. Okay, that will give you 3O2. Please don't write 3O2 like this. Don't write like this rubbish. Okay, make sure that your oxygen is nice and tall. Understanding? Now here you have to remember that give and take of electrons should be the same. 6 electrons plus and 6 electrons minus. Anode is replaced from time to time. Reason, it gets consumed, right?
Yes.
It gets oxidized.
Consumed and
No, oxidized
Or carbon dioxide.
oxidized into
Carbon dioxide.
CO and CO2, not just carbon dioxide, and gets consumed. You have to remember this word consumed. Okay, oxidized into CO2 consumed. Okay, that's why it has to be replaced. So you'll start from this and complete like this. So this is 5 mark. In any one of these you would have.
Do we write that carbon monoxide? What happens to it? It either burns, giving carbon dioxide, or escapes through the outlet. Do we write what happens to?
1 minute. It is replaced because of the solid becoming gases.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what happens to the gases is not why it is replaced. No,
Yes,
why it is replaced? Because it's become lesser, then lesser, then lesser, then disappeared.
yes, ma'am.
Now what happens to that CO and CO2 is not part of this.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we come to B part. Give the reaction for complete combustion of methane. You can do this, correct? This is CH4 plus O2, CO2, H2O, balance it. Okay. Write the reaction for formation of chloroform from dichloromethane. Dichloromethane means CH4 has become 2 chlorines, means CH2Cl2. Understanding?
Yes,
And they
ma'am.
want chloroform. What is chloroform? CHCl3. Correct? So you are going to write here Cl2, and what you'll write here? UV light.
Sunlight, UV light, or X-rays.
Diffuse sunlight, UV light or heat. Correct? And this will be one Cl will be replacing this, and the other H will take this Cl and become HCl. Okay, understanding. Draw isomers of butane. This is the third question on isomers
Yes,
of
ma'am.
butane. But I think by now you know, and then they are giving 1 mark anyway. So if you know it, and you should know
Well,
it back.
all for both of the isomers, right?
Draw the isomers of butane. Now, what did we write earlier? How many isomers butane had?
Two.
So if they say isomers, will you write only one? That is normal butane. You will write 2-methyl propane also, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, IUPAC name of isobutane is what? C single bond, C single bond, C and CH3 here. So this is prop and this is methyl group. So it is 2-methyl propane, correct? This will be CH3, CH and like this, correct? Understanding? So you have to show both. Draw electron, draw structure. This, that means how is OH1 minus formed. Learn this up. This is for 2 marks. Alright. So if you do not know by heart, give yourself 0 and give yourself marks out 10.
It's about the positive
Positive
radical.
radical.
So wouldn't it be NH4?
Oh, sorry. What did they say? Positive radical. Sorry, my mistake. NH4. So how NH4 radical is formed? That is what you have to mention. Alright. Okay. Let us move to what do you observe? Question number 7. ammonium hydroxide is added to lead nitrate. What will I get? Now remember, ammonium hydroxide, which are the soluble? Zn2 plus and Cu2 plus. Supposing they had told NaOH, which are the soluble amphoteric ones, correct? Which is the one which is soluble in both zinc. Okay, remember this much. Lead nitrate solution, what will form? Lead hydroxide, correct? So what will be? Chalky white precipitate, insoluble in excess. Zinc nitrate, it will be gelatinous, white PPT and soluble in excess. Green vitriol means FeSO4. It will be dirty green and insoluble. Ferric means Fe3 plus, means reddish brown and insoluble. Blue vitriol is CuSO4 means ammonium means it will be pale blue PPT. Sorry. Yeah, and it will form soluble in excess, forming inky blue or deep blue. You know this all, then 5 marks. Relevant terms. Functional group of ethanoic acid. Oic acid means carboxylic acid group. And into bracket dash COOH. That is, if they ask you the structure of it, rather than terms, they can ask you even the structure of it, then it will be dash C double bond O single bond OH. Understanding? But they have asked only this part. Then first member of alkane will be methane. But if they say first member of alkyne, then ethine. First member of alkene means ethene. Then substitution product of methane. That means the end result carbon tetrachloride. Then the fourth one, domestic fuel burns with blue flame. Which one it is? Domestic fuel which burns with blue flame?
Methane?
What is LPG filled with? It's butane, no? Ethane burns, all alkanes burn with pale blue flame. Okay. Butane, but the domestic fuel is LPG gas cylinder. Where it is written, it's butane, no? Correct or no? Double check that. Unsaturated hydrocarbon. Any unsaturated hydrocarbon means you can write, unsaturated hydrocarbon, they have said. This relevant term they are saying. That means it will be unsaturated, no?
Alkene or alkyne.
Sorry.
Alkene or alkyne.
So it will be alkene or alkyne. But when I have a question like this, an unsaturated hydrocarbon, the term they are saying, so alkene, alkane. But if they had to say name one, then what it would have been? I would have written ethene or ethine. Did you understand the difference? I would put this in bracket anyway, for example, and I would put this anyway. Okay, so give yourself marks on 5, and then question 7 is done with 10 marks you're writing. What is question number last? What volume of oxygen would be required to burn completely 400 ml of acetylene? Acetylene is C2H2, and with O2, what products will it give me? CO2 and H2O. So I'll have to balance it out. Can you see over here? This is even number, oxygen even number, this is odd number. So make this even. So you have how many H's? 4. So write like this. So 4 CO2. Balancing carbon. Understanding?
Yes.
Understanding.
Yes, ma'am.
How many carbons do you, how many oxygens do you see here? 8 and 2, 10. Now 400 ml this is. So you will say 2 volume.
Ma'am, even
What volume of oxygen they are saying? What you want?
even carbon is imbalanced.
Carbon is not balanced.
This is 4 and this is 8. No, sorry, ma'am.
Where it is 4?
Sorry, ma'am. I made a
This is
mistake.
8.
I made a mistake. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. 2 volume and here 5 volume gives 4 volume is 2 volume according to Gay-Lussac's law. Please spell this out in the exam, okay? 2 volumes are 400, so 2 into 200 ml is to tell me 5 into 200 ml gives 4 into 200 ml
is to
blah blah blah.
200.
Now here you will write the answer statement. We are only discussing what will be the volume of oxygen required. 5 into 200 means 1000 ml or 1 liter. Give one use of boric acid, ethene, calcium oxide. Where is boric acid? Boric acid is for acid basis salt. Which is that page of uses? Is it page 40? It's 47, is it? 47 or 43? Or 45?
5.
45. 45. Boric acid is for
Eyewash.
eyewash, correct. What is ethene? Ripening of, artificial ripening of green fruits. Remember, ethene and ethine, you can even say it is used in oxyethylene flame for welding. But I think artificial ripening will be good for both ethene as well as ethine. Calcium oxide, what is the use?
Formation of ammonia.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Calcium oxide.
Formation of ammonia or methane also.
What of ammonia?
Formation, laboratory preparation of ammonia.
It is used in the laboratory preparation of ammonia as a reactant.
No, ma'am, that's calcium hydroxide. Sorry, ma'am.
When is CO used? As a drying agent, no?
Drying agent.
In ammonia, isn't it used as a drying agent? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so remember drying agent. So give yourself marks out of 3 here. For this last question, for the formation of magnesium oxide and nitrogen molecule, it is formation means as a compound. That means Mg and O, they are going to have cation and anion form forming ionic bond, and for nitrogen it will be covalent bond. Correct? So for the first one, the first condition will be this is metal and non-metal. So what will I say? That difference between electronegativities should be large, correct? Is large. Correct or no? Therefore, then Mg loses 2 electrons to form Mg2 plus, then O gains 2 electrons to form O2 minus, forming ionic compound. Okay, so these would be the 2 conditions, because now it becomes an apt answer for the second one, nitrogen molecules. What you'll say? Difference between electronegativities less into bracket 0, correct, between N and A, N 0 between N and N atom, okay, and B each must share what? 3 electron pairs. 3 electron pairs to form what? To form non-polar, to form non-polar covalent compound.
of nitrogen bond.
No, covalent compound as the shared pairs are distributed equally. Then it makes sense. See now, for the formation of, okay, this is bonding, this is ionic bond and this is covalent bond, and what are the two conditions? Now it makes sense why they put 4 marks. Okay, so we finished the paper here.